Come and tell me a story, back when you were a kid. You were queen of the island, all the things that you did. Show me all of the pictures, the house on the lake, all the kings and the royals, and all the friends that you made. She said, tell the ones you love them. Turn your minutes into moments. Don't be scared to give away your heart. But I'm still afraid of the dark, still scared of my shadow, still looking for monsters under my bed every night. Oh, I wish you were right there to fight out the nightmares. You were the night light on a dark night like the stars. I'm still afraid of the dark, always looking out for me, always seeing my...
Well, I've been told I take my anger out on everyone else. I do a little too much drinking. I stay out too late and I'm always in the wrong, but I don't think that I have. Dear mom, I hope you know I'm doing fine. I sit here almost every night, hoping for the day that I can come home. And this road, you know it calls me out. I hope that doesn't bring you down, 'cause I'll be on my way one day, dear mom. And I know that if I keep this up, this life of highs, it'll chew me